Good evening, guys. Welcome to Intentional Forex Guru. Like I earlier said before in my previous video, you will definitely be in profit in Intentional Forex Guru. Please subscribe to our channel if you are a new person in our channel. Also, click on the notification and get notified whenever we upload a new video. I am a new person in YouTube does not mean that I am a new person in trading. You are going to definitely be in profits. Now I want to quickly show you something in boom and crash. I told you before that I trade boom and crash as my major trading. I don't trade currency pair every time. I trade currency pairs anytime that I feel like. But for boom and crash, volatility index, I trade it every time, anytime I want to. Quickly, I have discovered another wonderful strategy to make money in this market. Currently, I'm waiting for spike. You can see so many markets that I have placed. I am waiting for spike. It has given me a serious loss, but my friends, wonderful thing is going to happen in this dimension. Wonderful thing is going to happen in this dimension. I want to appreciate those people that subscribe to my channel. In fact, I am so encouraged in what I am saying. So please, you can also subscribe and then follow me in my channel. Even if you are a trader, you are a new person here that is watching this video right now, please subscribe to my channel. This is a spike trading indicator, and this is also a trend trading indicator. I will show you how to use it and trade spike today with the example in above, and then maybe in my subsequent video I am going to show you how to use it and trade trend, and you will definitely be in profit. I tell you the truth, you will definitely be in profit. Okay guys, even as we are waiting for this spike to happen, I want to quickly show you something. Let me show you the setup so as to. Now in this strategy we will use four good indicators. Our RSI, our Ichimoku, and then our two moving averages. Our RSI, our Ichimoku, and our two moving averages. Okay guys, the setup for the relative strength index is period 14, apply to close, style 4 pixel, then level we have there 0, 90, 80, 50, 20, and 10. I said period is what? 14, apply to close, then styles we have there 4 pixel, color is black. If your chart is white, you use black. If your chart is white, if your chart is white, you use black. If your chart is black, you use white. Then our levels, as I said before, is 0, 90, 80, 50, 20, and 10. Okay, that's all for relative strength index, and then you click what? Done. Then the second indicator there is Ichimoku. The second indicator is Ichimoku. In Ichimoku we have there Tenkan-sen, we have 6, Kijun-sen we have 6, Tenkan-sen 6, Kijun-sen 6, Seiko Spam 52. Then you click on this box and then it will fill it with a mark. Then in styles we have Tenkan-sen 1 pixel color is white because of your background is white. Then King Junsin, 1 pixel color is white because your background is white. Opcomo, we have 1 pixel. Then color, my one I'm using blue. You can use any color of your choice for easy identification. Down Como, we have here 1 pixel, and then red. Then you can use any color of your choice. My own, I choose red. King June Spam, we have the 3 pixel, and then we have the white. There is no levels, and then you click what? Done. You click what? Done. You click what? Done. Then we go to the next indicator, moving average 50. Moving average period is what? 50. Then shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to is close. Then style. Style is, we have the style 4 pixel, and then the color is red. There is no level. You click on what? Done. And then you go to the another second, the second moving average. We have the period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Style is 4 pixel. I use yellow in my color. There is nothing like level. Then you click put there what? Done. Then in this indicator, you can see that my market is seriously red throughout, but I am not afraid. But I'm not afraid. I'm telling you, all of them is going to turn blue in less than few minutes from now. Okay. Now, in this indicator, the right way to trade in this indicator is, according to the people that program it, is Zoom level 3. But I have told you that I'm not a fan of Zoom. I don't really love Zoom. Now imagine what happened in this market had it been I used Zoom to trade it. Had it been I used Zoom to trade it, that is to say, I would have put this market earlier than the way I placed it before now. And you have seen the kind of loss it has given on to me. It has given me even when I don't use Zoom. Let me show you something. Let me quickly show you something. You've seen what happened. You've seen the kind of loss that I have, the number of candles that I have, the loss that I have here. Even when I did not use what? Even when I did not use Zoom level 3. Now, if I had used Zoom, this is exactly where I would have placed this market. This is exactly where I would have placed this market. Because this is the Zoom level they are talking about. This is what have been exactly where I will place this market. And I will definitely be in loss. Let's say this is where I would have placed this market. This is where I would have placed this market. And then you catch this little spike and it will not do anything to you. Now, I refuse to use the Zoom level, because I know that so many times this Zoom level don't work. I am always patient in this market because this is business. This is what? Business. Forex trading is business, and it is not a gambling platform that you gamble over your money. You do try and error. If it works for you, you take. If it doesn't work, you leave. Okay. Now let me show you something, maybe using this market before I show you the previous market, what is going on in the previous market. Okay, you can see that in this market we have 3 indicators, as I have told you before now. One of those indicators is your what? RSI, which is sometimes very, very specific and then very, very accurate. Another one is your Ichimoku, and then another one is the 2 moving averages, the moving average 10 and then moving average 50. Now I want to quickly explain something here for you. Now our moving average 10 and moving average 20, our relative strength index, RSI. You can see our RSI here. Our Ichimoku is this one of blue and then blue and then the red. This blue and the red, that is our Ichimoku. That is the blue and the red, that is our Ichimoku. My dear friends, I didn't observe this market. I would have waited until this point before I start placing it, but I am very sure that it is going to spike either in this place. Let me show you something. It is going to spike here, or it is still going to pass that level or before that level and spike here. That is where I am predicting it will spike. That would have been the right direction and the point to place my markets. That is where I would have placed those markets. But because of this greediness, I placed those markets earlier than before. But I am not afraid or intimidated because it is still going to give me massive profit. It's going to spike down and give me my massive profit. Now let's run down to how we use this indicator. Let us run down to how we use this indicator. Now, when all these moving indicators in crash series, crash 500 and crash 1000, when all of them move to this our 80 to 90 levels, when this blue Ichimoku goes up to our 80 to 90 level, and then our two moving averages, moving average 50 and moving average 10, touches 80 and 19, enters between 80 and 90, then our RSI touches between between 80 and 90, then you place your market. Then you did what? You place your market. When this thing happens here, when these four indicators are between this place, when they are between 80, when they are between this 80 and and 90, you do what? You place your market. Now remember, I am not using zoom level because I have told you before that I am not friendly with this zoom level. Okay, if you had used zoom level, you got this small spike here. But that is not where I am targeting. I'm targeting the massive spikes that is going to come down when this market goes close to this resistance level, or to this other resistance level. Now, another thing in this that will help you to trade this market effectively is your price action, and then knowing your trend analysis, your price action and your trend analysis. Disobedience of your trend analysis will give you what is happening right now in this market. I will still place more market because I know that definitely it is going to spike. It is going to spike. So I am not afraid because it is going to spike. That is the reason why you must have a large equity. So that is it. When these your four indicators are up to these 80, 90 levels, you place your market in a sell direction. You place your market in a sell direction. Automatically it is going to spike down, and then this your RSI is going to come down to this 20 or 50 levels. Then you will definitely be in in profit. You will definitely be in profit. Let us back test it and see what happened. When all of them were up here, look at what happened. It spikes down. When they were up here, when they were up here, when all of them were up here, when all of them were up in this place, look at it, between the what, the 80 and the 90, it spikes down. When they were up here, when they were up here, let us see where they are totally up. Like this place again, like this place, you see, it does what? It spikes down. It spikes down. Like this place, when they were up, when they were up here, when they were up here, the market does what? It spikes down. The same thing goes to this place. When they were up, when all our indicators were between this 80 and 90, they do what? The market spikes down massively. When they were between this what? This 80 and 90, be patient until you see this kind of opportunity. The market does what? It spikes down extensively. So you will definitely be in profit if you are what? If you are patient. You will be in profit if you are impatient. So now let me quickly show you something in another series. In Boom 1000, you see, when this our all our this thing indicators, when our Ichimoku, when our moving averages, when our RSI are this in this downward direction, are in between what? 20 and 10. When they are between 20 and 10, you place your market, you will definitely be in what? In profit. Look at the kind of spike that is giving you. So another one is you see, when they are between what? This 20 and 10, they spike up. Between 20 and 10, they spike up. Let's keep back testing. Between 20 and 10 here, they spike ups. Between 20 and 10, they spike up. Don't think of those zoom level. Wait until all our this thing meets up, all our indicator, all everything, all our entry, all our setup gives you the right opportunity to trade. Then you trade. Look at it here. You definitely be in what? Profit. Do not be greedy. Do not be greedy. I'm going to show you how you use it to also make the market using train when you are trading train. So this indicator is wonderful. It doesn't really fail. It helps you to make money easily. Thank you guys. I want you to subscribe to this our channel. Please click the notification bell for notifications. Like and comment our video. Like and comment our video. This is Intentional Forex Guru. If you need more training in trend analysis, price action, and etc. concerning this, how to place your market, how to manage your account very well, you can contact me directly. I am going to drop my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to chat me directly. This is Intentional Forex Guru. You will really be in profit. Do not joke with this strategy. I am telling you, do not joke with this strategy. You will definitely be in profit. Thank you. I'm going to sign out right now. Share this video. Subscribe to our channel. You will definitely be in profit. Thank you. And then bye-bye for now. I will show you the evidence of what happened in the market I placed tomorrow, and then you will definitely be glad that I did. Okay. Now, for now, it has spikes up, but that is a very small spike. It is still going to spike down. Look at it there. Look at what happened there. It is still going to spike what? Down. That is why I'm not removing this market. It is still going to do what? Spike down. It gives me a small spike, and I'm supposed to close that market, but I'm not going to close that market. It is still going to do what? Spike down massively. I told you I told you that it is going to spike in that direction. I told you where it will spike up. And right now, that is exactly where the market spikes up. I told you where it will spike up. And that is exactly where it spikes. And I am expecting more spikes down this place. I am expecting more spikes. I'm expecting more spike. Even with closing of eye, I can trade this market. As long as you know how to predict the trend analysis, as long as you know your price action, as long as you know your resistance level and then your support level, my brother, it is very possible for you to trade forex and be profitable. Thank you. I am signing out immediately. I'm going to show you the evidence of my trade tomorrow. Tomorrow, with the profit I made with this strategy. Thank you. Bye bye.